So your love story, Dan Clevin and Maria Katrina, goes all the way back to your high school years.
I lay here under the stars in awe of who you are.
You're not attracted to one another, pero tinukso kayo ng science teacher ninyo, and that started your relationship. And you discover that you're really meant for each other. Perhaps magaling sa chemistry ang science teacher ninyo. Because right from the very beginning, he sensed that there was this chemistry between the two of you.
It's like I'm seeing for the first time like you. Open my eyes to show me everything I missed before. And I want more.
Finally, I am marrying the love of my life. We've been together all throughout this journey, holding on to each other. Who would have thought we would end up together? But I always knew it was you.
But look, here you are.
11 years ago, I wanted to see myself loving the same person I love today. At nagkatotoo yun. We've been together as boyfriend and girlfriend for more than a decade. We both know that you were not my first crush, nor my first puppy love. But what important is, you are my last and my forever.
I've never felt so alive. Yeah, it's like I'm seeing for the first time like you. Open my eyes to show me everything I missed before. And I want more. How many years?
Sino ba naman mag-aakala na ngayon kaharap na kita dito sa altar? You are the most loving, caring, selfless man with the biggest heart I have ever met. You always give me your best and put me first in everything.
Many years did you plan this moment here to
The world once was not in favor of us. We cried and almost broke up. Literally, we cried a bucket of tears. We were tired but never gave up keeping this relationship. Sobrang saya ko na sa kabila ng lahat ng pinagdaanan natin, katabi kita ngayon sa Kanya, sa harap ng ating Panginoon sa altar ng simbahan.
miss before. Yeah, it's like I'm seeing for the first time like you. Open my eyes to show me everything I missed before. And I
Now, after 11 years of being boyfriend and girlfriend, you are going to forge your relationship as husband and wife in the eyes of God and also in the eyes of the people of God.
Some days you don't feel beautiful. Some days you wanna change it all. I answer with a question mark.
Dear Mr. Dan Clevin Manito. Hi, baby. Wow, baby. Hi, baby.
No, I wouldn't change a thing about you.
Finally, the long wait is over. I waited so long for this day, and I thank God He answered our prayers. Sulat na to.
You turn the water into wine. All of the things you put.
My dearest fiancé, good morning. This is it. Sobrang excited na sa journey natin. I am beyond grateful to marry a woman I prayed for. I love you. Forever yours, Glenn. Oh! So sweet!
Our time to be together for the rest of our lives has finally come. This is for you, baby. I hope you like it. See you later. Love, soon to be Mrs. Manito.
ko, Lord, kung darating yung time na mapagod na si Clem kasi hindi na niya kaya maghintay, kayo na po ang bahala. But you really stayed and proved to me that true love waits. So thank you, babe. Thank you for your sacrifices, patience, understanding, at for not giving up on me and my family.
As I stand here before you, I vow to support you, inspire you, and to love you always. I don't know what the future holds, but I know that I am with you and you are with me in the future, and that is all that matters.
How about you? But someday you wake up and feel like you need love. You can't see a smile, your eyes, not the way that I do. Don't ever feel worthless, just know that you're perfect. And I'd change the world before I change a thing about you.
I will be your best friend, travel buddy, food buddy, your lover, and forever partner in life.
Baby, my bride, thank you for staying and loving me unconditionally. And thank you for being the best girlfriend ever. Today, in front of our Creator, Lord Jesus Christ, I can proudly say to everyone that you, Maria Katrina Yap Tan Manguera, is now my wife.
But